Assalamu alaikum. This is day 30, the last day of Ramadan of 2026. Let's move towards today's challenge. Let's pick a slip. And today's challenge is do deep self-reflection. Ask yourself, did I change this Ramadan? What habit will I continue after Ramadan? Write down 2 bad habits to quit and 2 good habits to continue at least. And also all of the challenges that we took in this Ramadan, just carry them forward and don't stop doing them. Do them every second day and make it part of your personality. I wish you all the very best, inshallah ta'ala, with loads and loads of prayers, blessings,